Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off dark mode on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. In left pane, click on more option and then click on settings and privacy. Under settings, you will find accessibility, display and languages. Click on it and now click on display. Scroll down. Here you will find background and now background is light out. Just click on default and look, in my Twitter dark mode is turned off. This is the easiest way to turn off dark mode on Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.